Today we're going to check out these exciting little stickers that were sent to me from ARTDOT. They are diamond painting stickers. They're called Diamond Art Freestyle stickers. And then on the box it says, what is the color of the rainbow? It's up to you. And then we have instructions on how to diamond paint on the back. So if you are new to diamond painting, you can check those out. I'm sure that would be helpful. And then on the side here, it shows what's included. So 38 freestyle stickers, 1 pen, 1 wax, 1 diamond set, and 1 tray. So it seems like everything you need to get started with diamond painting, again, if you are new, is all included in this box. So let's take a look and see. If you are new here and you like diamond painting, videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. So at the top we have ARTDOT, craft is a lifestyle. Yes, I would have to agree, ARTDOT, craft is a lifestyle. It is. See what we have in here. Okay, so then we have our stickers, which we'll look at in a little bit. Ooh, okay, look at this toolkit, guys. It's super cute. Check out what's inside this toolkit. We have a diamond painting pen, and it has a 3-placer on the end. It matches the tray, actually. Everything is blue. I wonder if that is planned. And then we have a squishy that you put on your pen to protect your little fingers. If I can do it. Okay, so like that. Then we have a little heart of wax, and it's blue wax. Then we have a little tray, and this tray is really cute. So it looks like if you have more than one of these trays from ARTDOT, you can connect them. Because there's a little thingy on this end and a notch on this end, so that's kind of neat. And the little spout, this is really cute, actually. I'm liking that. Then in here we have our diamonds, or drills as we call them. Pull them out and take a look. So these are going to be round diamonds. Wow, there's a lot. So let's take a look at the stickers that come inside. And interestingly enough, I'm noticing that they're all black and white. So remember on the box it says, what is the color of rainbow? I had no idea, literally no idea, that these come in black and white, because I'm assuming that you basically get to choose what colors you fill in on these. So that's really cool. So there's some candies. I think these are lollipops. Let's do one. I'm just going to do one for the sake of doing one. Which one should we do, guys? What's a fun one that's easy and fast? Let me see. Okay, let's do this lightning bolt, because that is super simple. As you can see, it's going to be all that black around it. And then in the middle, I'm going to choose probably yellow or lightning green. So we will take a look-see over here. We'll take this black color, cut this out. Then we will throw it in this tray. So if we follow the instructions, remove the protective film, and then there's a back film. Okay. So let's do what they say. So I am going to remove the top film. Oops. Okay. Nope. Is it what? Remove the protective film. So I just tried peeling it up, and I accidentally peeled the sticker off the backing. So you just have to be really careful. So it does have the top film comes off, if you caught that. And then let's use a 4-placer. I'm just going to diamond paint this quickly. placed all of the black down so you can see what that looks like. And then, because I'm not going to work on the rest of these right away, I'm just going to put the extra black in this baggie that I have from another kit. So let's go ahead and do that. If you do want to work on these stickers though, I would recommend putting all the colors in their own separate baggies or containers so they're easily organized and easily accessible. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put them in this bag because I know that they're 310. And then let's take a look. I'm going to move this over and we'll take a look to see what color I want to fill the lightning bolt in. Right off the bat though, I'm thinking of this yellow or hear me out guys, hear me out. We could do this green. I can't decide. So this is 307 and this is DMC 907. Okay, we're just for the sake of this video and to please you, because I know you'll be like, why you want to fill in a lightning bolt yellow? We're just gonna, or green. We're just gonna use this yellow. But keep in mind, this is totally up to you. So again, this symbol that is inside of the lightning bolt, it stands for any color. So if you really wanted to go crazy, be creative, you could fill it in with like 5 different colors if you wanted to. But I'm just gonna do one because I am a plain and simple person. Okay, and then here we have our lightning bolt all finished. And so we use 307 or 310 and 307. And this is our lightning bolt. And again, because I'm going to not work on this right now, I am just going to simply put this. This is the cheater way of doing things, guys. Instead of like relabeling this bag to 307, in case later on I'm like, okay, I want to go back and use 307, I'm simply going to put the packaging for these drills in here. And then I'm going to dump my drills in here. And you do get quite a few drills. And so later on, when I do go back to this project, I can just like right on here, it already says. So that's the lightning bolt. One thing that I did notice is that on this sticker particularly, there is room for you to hold on to the sticker while you're diamond painting. But if you look at, for example, like this sticker, which is how most of them are, there's not a ton of room, so you might end up holding down the sticker with your finger, and it might overlap to where the sticky part is for the diamond painting and drill area. So that's one thing that you want to be aware of while you're doing this. But I think this looks really cute. And then I think I have the perfect spot to put this sticker. So this is actually the lid for my Harbor Freight containers. So let's go ahead and stick this sticker. Let's put it on this lid. This is the inside because my containers always sit open on my desk. So the other side, like the top of this lid is never showing. So I think we'll just put it down on here. So easily we can just peel it up. Okay, so the sticker, that's kind of neat to see. The sticker is clear on the bottom, which is kind of cool to see. I don't know. Am I the only one who thinks that's cool? Okay, anyways. We'll just put it over here in the top right. So there's my diamond painting sticker on my diamond painting drill containers. And these are just like from kits that I do. I never use those stickers that come with the kits, so I just stick them on the inside of this lid. But also, there's also a bunch on the outside of this container. So that is just my collage mess of a container. I think it looks really cool. So you can stick these like anywhere really. And if we run our fingers over it, like I'm pushing down pretty hard. Like I'm even shaking the desk and the camera. And these are not moving, so that's pretty sturdy. I don't necessarily think you need to seal these when you're done with them. I think you can just literally just stick them somewhere, unless it is on something that you're going to be touching constantly. This lid I will not be touching constantly, but if it is something that you are touching constantly, you might want to consider sealing them. Overall, my honest thoughts on this kit is it's very cool. It's very unique. If you like not being told what colors go where, I like the idea of it. Being able to pick and choose, adding more than one color. Like for this cupcake, for example, this icing here could be pink and the bottom could be, I don't know, brownish orange or something, and this could be red for like a cherry on top of the cupcake. I like the idea of being able to be creative. And it looks like you do get a decent amount of each drill color. And of course, there's like a huge assortment of colors that you get within this kit. It's really, really cute. And I like that it comes with a whole bunch of different designs. So if you're feeling like I want to do a star today, you can do a star. If you've never shopped with ARTDOT before, they have 2 to 3 day delivery. It is quick. Let me tell you, when they told me they shipped this to me, I got it like 3 days or 2 days later. You get free shipping over $35, and they also do monthly giveaways in their Facebook group, which I'll link in the description box below. I will have all of the links to this in the description box if you do want to pick it up. Let me know what you think of this. I'm probably, like, not even gonna lie, I'm probably gonna do a couple more before I head to bed tonight. Also, not to mention, like, look how cute this toolkit is. I, for one, usually just toss toolkits, but this tray is pretty lovely. Like, it's pretty cute, and everything matches, like, so aesthetically pleasing. Let me know what you guys think of this kit down below. Have you tried these Freestyle stickers? Do you like kits that allow you to choose the colors? Do you like being creative? Comment down below and let me know. Thank you again to the folks at ARTDOT for sending me this to share with you guys on my channel. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post videos about diamond painting accessories, diamond painting unboxings, reviews, everything. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!